Two ingredients is an instant dinner or lunch. Bali, nangangailangan ka ng 4 na ingredients kasi ito 2 ingredients plus kawali and the sandok is 4 ingredients. So, we just need this frying pan and what you call this one? And then, and to begin with, this is what you call, my grandkids love this one. But only my 2 grandkids will eat this one because Mila, my younger grandkid doesn't like this one. The girl. Only my boys, grandkids will like this one. This is what you call jambalaya. Jambalaya rice with sausage. Actually, you can put jambalaya rice or vegetables, but since they don't like vegetables, I just put the sausage in it. So let's start with this simple and easy dinner for my grandkids. Actually, nakalimutan ko, 3 ingredients pala. The 3 ingredients are the water, 2.5 cup of water, and this 30 minutes, just add meat, jambalaya with cheese, and this big sausage. So, we're gonna put the water into this pot and then add the remaining ingredients. But before that, we need to slice the sausage. Magic! It's sliced already. See? Na-magic ko yan. Yan, na-slice ko na siya. And ready to cook. The fastest way to cook dinner is these 3 ingredients. So na guys, umpisahan na natin ang ating easy dinner for tonight. We'll put the 2.5 cup of water into the pan. And then, we will put the rice. This is the rice. And this is the sausage. And put the rice into the pan. Yan rice na yan, it includes mushroom dry, a little bit of mushroom dry and cheese. Cheese in it. Mix, 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 mix. Mix lang natin siya hanggang mag-melt down yung cheese. And then we can add the sausage into the pan. Here is the sausage. Yay, 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 yay. Yay, yeah, there's the sausage. We just mix it together and cook it up to 30 minutes. And then, ready na ang dinner ng aking mga apo. Just keep on stirring it so the cheese will melt. Because ang cheese niya ay buo-buo pa. Yan. See, the color is yellow. And this rice is a little bit spicy. We call this jambalaya rice. Jambalaya rice with sausage. This is one of my grandkids' favorite. The 2 grandkids, I mean. Mila, eat this one but not that much. She just prefer to eat salad with ham. Okay guys, we'll cook it and boil it up to 30 minutes. Then it will be ready for the dinner of my grandkids. Yan na po ang recipe ni Lola. Kumukulo na po siya. Naghihintay na ang aking mga kaapuhan sa kanilang hapunan. Ang hapunan nilang instant. The grandma's fast recipe. Fastest dinner. Ito siya. Still boiling. We need to draw this one until it gets dry. Parang sinaing lang siya. Parang paiinin mo siya ng paiinin. Pero kailangan mo siyang haluin para siya ay hindi magdikit. At sa kabilang panig, sa kabilang panig ng mundo ay ang aking ginger juice. Ginger juice! Nagda-dry na siya, guys. See, you can see now the rice. But you can actually make your own like this. Make your own like you mix the rice with the meat, with the vegetables, and cook it at once like biryani style. But you make it a different style like American style or Filipino style. Biryani style is one of the best. I love biryani for whatever it takes. Okay guys, we will wait until this is so dry like sinaing. Like cooked rice. Guys, this is it. This is it. Kaping mainit. Ito na yun, guys. Ganyan lang ang ang katuyo niya kasi later on it will get a little bit more dry. So I will turn it off already and just cover it, and it's ready for dinner, for my grandkids dinner. Bye guys. Thank you guys for watching and hope you like my video, which you can learn how to make an easy dinner for your grandkids, especially when they are so picky. They are usually so picky, so we sometimes buy the instant thing.